Think you know everything about the world's favorite yellow fruit? Don't slip up. Welcome back to Factopedia English, where today we are peeling back the history, science, and absolute madness of bananas. We've got 51 mind-blowing facts lined up that will totally change the way you look at your breakfast. Let's go! Fact 1. Did you know banana literally translates to finger? The word actually originates from the ancient Arabic word banan, which means finger. Fact 2. Bananas are literally the fruit of the wise men. Their official scientific name is Musa sapientum, which translates directly to this highly respectful title. Fact 3. Stop throwing away the skin. You can absolutely eat the banana peel. While it is tough and bitter when raw, boiling or blending those peels makes them totally edible and packed with extra nutrients. Fact 4. Want your bananas to last much longer? Tightly wrap the crown, that's the stem, in plastic wrap. This genius hack prevents the ethylene gas from escaping, keeping your bunch fresh for days longer. Fact 5. Bananas are basically natural gas bombs. They release a massive amount of ethylene gas. If you put a rock-hard green avocado in a brown paper bag with a banana, it will magically ripen overnight. Fact 6. Got a nasty bug bite? Rubbing the inside of a banana peel directly on a mosquito bite can drastically reduce the annoying itching and swelling. Fact 7. Don't buy expensive shoe polish, use a banana peel to shine your shoes. The natural oils hidden on the inside of the peel make an absolutely excellent eco-friendly polish for your favorite kicks. Fact 8. Bananas are officially heart healers. Thanks to their high potassium and incredibly low sodium content, they are officially recognized by the FDA as a food that can actually lower your blood pressure. Fact 9. Ditch the expensive energy drinks. Bananas are the ultimate pre-workout snack. They are loaded with easily digestible carbs and natural sugars that provide a sustained, crash-free energy boost. Fact 10. Here is a crazy bit of botany. A banana plant only fruits one single time. After producing its one bunch of fruit, the main stem literally dies, and a brand new one has to grow from the base. Fact 11. Store-bought bananas technically have no real seeds. Those tiny, crunchy black dots you see in the center of your banana are actually just immature seeds that are completely incapable of growing. Fact 12. Uganda takes the absolute crown for banana eating. The average person living in Uganda consumes over 500 pounds of bananas every single year. That is a seriously massive amount of potassium. Fact 13. Move over everywhere else. India is the undisputed banana capital of the world. They actively produce and harvest more bananas annually than any other single country across the entire globe. Fact 14. Yes, there is an actual international banana museum located right in California. It holds the Guinness World Record for the largest collection devoted to a single fruit, packing over 20,000 items. Fact 15. Banana ketchup is 100% a real thing. Invented in the Philippines during World War II due to a tomato shortage, it's made of mashed bananas, sugar, vinegar, and spices, then dyed red to look normal. Fact 16. You will never guess Walmart's undisputed king of sales. Year after year, the absolute best-selling individual item at the massive retail giant Walmart is simply the humble, delicious banana. Fact 17. You have been peeling your bananas completely wrong. Wild monkeys actually peel them from the bottom, the end opposite the stem. It is so much easier and completely removes those annoying stringy bits. Fact 18. Did you know plantains are really just super starchy bananas? In many different parts of the world, they're treated much more like hearty vegetables and are heavily cooked before anyone eats them. Fact 19. Forget the yellow ones. Red bananas actually taste like fresh raspberries. Fact 20. The legendary blue Java bananas literally taste like ice cream. They rock a crazy bluish-silver peel and possess a rich, creamy, custard-like texture that tastes exactly like vanilla ice cream. Fact 21.
Bananas actually grow totally upside down. They start out pointing straight toward the dirt, but as they grow, they curve and turn toward the sun in a wild scientific process called negative geotropism. Fact 22. Throw a banana in a pool and watch it float. Just exactly like apples and giant watermelons, whole bananas are actually less dense than the water around them, making them naturally buoyant. Fact 23. Bananas are literally a natural antacid for your stomach. They have a soothing, basic effect inside the human body, so if you ever suffer from painful heartburn, eating a banana can provide quick relief. Fact 24. Bananas secretly glow in the dark under UV light. As they ripen, their chlorophyll breaks down. If you look at a ripe banana under a black light, those breaking down molecules glow a bright fluorescent blue. Fact 25. The thick, sturdy trunk of a banana plant is not actually made of solid wood at all. It is a pseudostem, literally made entirely out of incredibly tightly packed, overlapping layers of banana leaves. Fact 26. Bananas used to be absolutely packed full of giant seeds. Before thousands of years of human selective breeding, wild bananas were mostly hard, completely inedible seeds with very little actual fruit inside. Fact 27. Bananas were totally considered a scandalous, forbidden fruit. Back in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, strict etiquette guides literally warned women against eating bananas in public spaces. Fact 28. Banana leaves are essentially nature's very own aluminum foil. In many tropical cultures, these massive, totally waterproof leaves are used to sustainably wrap food for steaming, baking, or serving. Fact 29. You can actually use banana leaves to tenderize your steaks. Wrapping a really tough cut of meat tightly inside banana leaves before cooking it is a traditional, foolproof way to make it super tender and juicy. Fact 30. The inner peel of a banana can magically remove tough ink stains. The natural oils and special enzymes packed in a banana peel can actually help lift stubborn ink smudges from your fingers or even clothes.
Fact 31. You can write your homework on a banana. Well, sort of. The strong stalk of the banana plant can actually be heavily processed to create a super durable, highly sustainable type of eco-friendly paper. Fact 32. Bananas can literally clean our drinking water. Scientific research has surprisingly shown that minced banana peels can safely absorb dangerous heavy metals like lead and copper directly from contaminated water. Fact 33. Bananas are an absolute economic powerhouse. Globally, they rank as the fourth most valuable agricultural product in the entire world, falling closely behind only major staples like wheat, rice, and milk. Fact 34. You are paying for a lot of peel at the grocery store. When you buy a heavy pound of bananas, roughly 35% or a full third of what you are actually paying for is just the heavy outer yellow peel. Fact 35. A whole banana floats nicely, but totally peeled bananas will sink like a rock. The unpeeled fruit floats because the skin acts exactly like a life jacket trapping air, but once naked, it drops straight to the bottom. Fact 36. Your pet cats absolutely despise bananas. If you hold one near a cat, they will recoil because ripe peels emit a chemical compound called ethyl acetate, which smells incredibly overpowering to a feline's sensitive nose. Fact 37. Banana fabric is a high-end luxury item. In countries like Japan and the Philippines, fibers extracted from banana plant stalks have been meticulously woven into lightweight, beautiful, silk-like fabrics for centuries. Fact 38.
You can totally brew your very own banana beer. In East Africa, fermenting mashed bananas into beer and wine, known as urwagwa, is a deeply rooted cultural tradition used for massive celebrations and weddings. Fact 39. This sounds super gross, but you are literally eating an unfertilized ovary. Botanically speaking, the sweet, edible part of the banana is simply the swollen, totally unfertilized ovary of the plant's female flower. Fact 40. Forget sleeping pills. Bananas are a totally natural sleep aid. They're jam-packed with potassium and magnesium, which act as powerful muscle relaxants to help your body physically wind down for a deep sleep. Fact 41. Bananas are the ultimate houseplant hack. Wiping the dusty, dull leaves of your indoor plants with the slick inside of a banana peel not only cleans them perfectly, but also leaves a beautiful natural shine without clogging the pores. Fact 42. Unlike toxic grapes or macadamia nuts, bananas are a perfectly safe, incredibly healthy treat for your dogs. Pups absolutely love the sweet taste, making them a highly motivating snack when given in moderation. Fact 43. You can easily give your banana a sick tattoo. Because the peels quickly oxidize and turn brown when bruised, creative artists use push pins to poke thousands of tiny holes, creating insanely photorealistic temporary tattoos. Fact 44. Banana plants are incredibly thirsty and demand huge amounts of hydration. It takes roughly 100 to 150 liters of fresh water to grow just a single kilogram of bananas, making them highly water-intensive to cultivate. Fact 45. The banana flower is an absolute culinary delicacy. At the very end of a growing bunch sits a massive teardrop-shaped purple flower called the banana heart, which is widely eaten in delicious Southeast Asian curries. Fact 46. Commercial bananas are technically virgin fruits. In scientific terms, they are parthenocarpic, which simply means they naturally develop into a fully formed fruit without ever actually needing to be fertilized by pollen. Fact 47. Potatoes completely beat bananas at their own nutrient game. While bananas are world famous for their high potassium levels, a simple medium-baked potato actually contains significantly more potassium than a medium banana. Fact 48. Wild monkeys do not actually eat our supermarket bananas. Our super sweet, seedless versions simply do not exist in the wild, so handing one to a wild monkey is literally like giving a human a giant, concentrated candy bar. Fact 49. You need to beware of the terrifying banana spider. The Brazilian wandering spider is one of the most dangerously venomous spiders on Earth, and it earned its spooky nickname by frequently hiding out inside banana bunches. Fact 50. Bats are the real unsung heroes of the banana world. For the wild banana varieties that actually do require natural pollination to survive, they rely heavily on nectar-feeding bats working through the night instead of normal bees. So, which of these banana facts completely blew your mind? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video appealing, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.